Pull into your private little oasis and park out back off the street. Enter through the back door into the mud/laundry room. Walk-in pantry located just off of the back entrance and before you enter the cozy kitchen with an old-time wood-burning cookstove that helps with keeping this place nice and cozy. Modern range also. Full bath and 1 bedroom on the main level. 2 separate lots and 2 residences, 0.19 plus acres, with adjacent, 0.08 plus acre, for a total of 0.275 acre site, zoned gateway commercial, can be commercial or residential. The smaller cabin needs your vision to bring it back to life. 1119 Borthwick is tax parcel 0023 480 0000 extension 0 with 448 square feet of living area. Terms, cash only.